like a giant, and he seemed like a littlest puppy earlier today.
I know.
Don't you think so?
I do.
Now he seems like a big old giant.
Big old hot dog.
Big old mature giant, so wise and smart.
Well, Cora girl, what do you have to say about your big brother? Want to play. He does not.
You gonna go get another toy? You gonna be okay with both of them? You gonna be okay with both of them?
Sure.
Yes.
We got 2 wagging tails.
That's your collar.
She wants to kill it.
No. This is for play with. This is not to chew. Should put it back on?
Yeah.
Did you loosen it?
Yeah, I did.
A little bit.